Hi, this is Julie with Three Sister Sundries. I'm back to make a paper clip. I wanted to make one to keep this flap closed. So let's move that out of the way. And I am using a paper clip blank from Lolly Palooza's shop. I will give you a link to these in the description box. I also have this little chipboard circle that I got at my Creative Reuse Center. So I want to cover that with some paper. Maybe we'll do this cute red plaid. Yep. Okay. So I want to cover the gray side and then leave the white side on the back, because the back is going to be showing. The way I want to put this paper clip on my page, the white will be showing, or the back side will be showing, so I'm going to leave the white space empty and then probably put a sticker on the back of my paper clip blank also. So I'm just gonna put some glue on there and glue that to the back side of my paper. And I'm going to trim as close as I can. And excuse me. Then I have these finishing files. I have used these to cover wood in some of my other projects, but I am going to just file off the rest of that paper that I don't need on there so that it's a nice circle. So I'm taking a flat file and just going around the edge of the circle, and then you can see where the edge of that chipboard is, so you just keep filing until the paper comes off. Okay, I am going to add that to my paper clip with some super tight. And I'm going to put it around the very edge and in a little bit, because there's a little bit of a lip on this blank here, so then I'll turn it over and glue it right in the middle. Oh, I was going to tie red plaid ribbon on that. I don't think that's going to work out now. I'll have to use plain ribbon. Okay, and then I have just a few stickers left. So let me see what is going to fit and look good. Maybe that doesn't show up very well, does it? Oh, I have a little one. I could put a little one and this underneath it. Okay, and then on the back, I think one of these will fit. It'll be hanging off the edge and probably get a little bit messed up there, but a little bit bent and stuff, but I think it will be okay. Oh, maybe I will just do this baker's twine. That way I can tie it in a bow. Just down around the bottom of the paper clip. probably going to have to glue that onto the paper clip itself to keep it from sliding off. Oh, that's pretty cute. There we go. That was pretty simple. So let me glue that on. I think with some of my super tight. I think I'll just put it on. Ooh. Probably should have done that before I put my sticker on. I think I'll just put it on the metal right up there. And slide. Maybe I put it up a little bit too high. Slide that up into the glue. Okay, so that just needs to dry, but I'm going to try it on my page anyway to see how it looks. Oh, that is pretty cute. See, so the way that is, the back of the paper clip will show from the front, which also looks pretty cute. I found these adorable little clothespins at the Target dollar spot. They are just a 6 count of wood clips. And I have just clipped that on my little shaker page right there, just to add a little bit more color and cuteness to the top. So that is it for the paper clip, and then we're also going to make a charm dangle to hang on here. So let me get set up for that and I will be back. Alright, I've gathered my supplies. So here's what I have. I have taken a length of chain that will work from in between my book rings. That's not too long. I have a really big jump ring to connect this whole charm dangle to my book, and even though it's kind of copper colored or bronzy colored, that's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. It needs to be able to fit around the big book ring, so I have that. I also have a large bead cap. I've got various ribbons and things. And then I've got a bunch of charms to hang. I've got some different sized jingle bells. I've got pom-poms on bulb pins. I've got 2 different colors. Although I might change one of these out for a different size because I do have a variety of sizes of these and more colors. I've got a couple of charms and I have some beads. So I'm just going to put this on fast forward and start building the charm base here, and then I'm going to connect it all together in the bead cap. Okay, I think I have enough on my little charm dangle. I've got a little red jingle bell, a striped red bead, a white pom-pom, and this sparkly bead that had a loop on it. It was kind of a charm in and of itself, so I added that little red bead. Cute candy stripe. Little Santa Claus. This is a little resin. I think it's supposed to be a Christmas tree ornament, a little tiny one. So I just turned him into a charm. I've got a green pom-pom, a candy cane charm, and my white jingle bell down at the bottom. I want to add some ribbons. So I think I'm going to need some wire for this. I think I'm just going to lay them all out in a long strip, and I think I'll put this one, the center is, I'm going to fold them in half and then wrap them with wire, I think. I also remembered I wanted to use this in with it, if I can find the end of this. I think I want several of these. Maybe in varying lengths. A couple of short ones, maybe a couple of long ones and a short one. Okay, that should be enough. Alright. Now, let me cut a length of wire. So I think what I am going to do is gather this up in the middle and wrap my wire. And with my ball fringe, I'm just putting one end with a ball on one side since my piece is so short, and letting the rest dangle. So I'll just have one strand of that. And I'm going to wrap it over and grab those ends with my flat pliers and just twist. Alright, I've got my ribbons all tied together with my wire, and I've cut it down to, I don't know, an inch. And I'm just going to take the top of my chain. I actually put a jump ring on there. I'm going to just slip that over the top of that wire, and I am going to put the wire right through the bead cap, and that will be my dangle. And then I will take my round nose pliers. Actually, I'm going to bend that down. I don't know, I'm not very good at this part, but I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just make a loop at the top of that. Okay, then I'll take our jump ring and slip that on there, and then onto book ring. Close that up. Ooh. I don't know, this jump ring does not feel very strong. So I don't know whether that's going to hold that or not. I may have to get a big lobster claw clasp to put that on, but there it is. I think I want it to dangle in the front. Or I don't know, I might even put that on a little clamp. That's not hanging where I want it to. Hang on. Okay, this is going to take a little trial and error. I was thinking about one of those little, I don't know what they call them, bullnose clips. Not sure what they're called. I can't find any right offhand, so I'm gonna try something else. I've got a paper clip that I'm hoping will work. It's a round paper clip, and I'm just gonna slide this on. I took the jump ring off because it just does not feel like it's gonna hold. It's not very firm. And I'm gonna put it on this round paper clip and try clipping that to the edge of my book up at the top. And let's see how that works. Oh, that's much better. Okay, well, I may have to put a different jump ring on though. Anyway, so there we go. That is the Dangle. Alright, that brings us to the end of this process. So I would like to thank Lolly for giving me the opportunity to put this project together for you. I'm so glad to have it done and be able to enjoy the holiday and just take pictures and add to as I go, or maybe just wait till the end and add them after the holiday's over. I'd like to thank you also for sticking with me through all these videos, some very long, and through the ups and downs and frustrations, and I hope you've had fun with it. I sure have. I love this collection that I was able to use. Well, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.